In this video, I'll show you how to make a delicious cup of coffee using the Sincreative 2-in-1 Coffee Maker with Milk Frother. With this easy-to-use coffee machine, you can choose your brew by inserting a K-cup capsule for convenience, or by spooning your favorite ground coffee blend into the reusable filter. To use, easy remove and fill up the 30-ounce water reservoir, then place it back on. This water reservoir is large enough for multiple cups, so you don't have to keep removing it and refilling it every time you brew. Afterward, release the release lever to unlock the coffee maker. For capsules, place the capsule into the capsule insert, then place the insert into the coffee maker. If you're using coffee grounds, place the grounds into the reusable capsule, then place the filter into the coffee maker. Press down on the lid until it locks into place. Insert the drip tray into one of the 3 slots according to your cup size. It can accommodate small, medium, and large cups. Place your coffee cup onto the tray. Select the size coffee you prefer, ranging from 6 to 14 ounces, then choose capsule or grounds. It will begin to brew within 5 seconds. In just a few short moments, you will have a delicious hot cup of coffee. When finished, detach the drip tray for easy cleaning. If you want to turn your coffee into a latte, mocha, or cappuccino, use the included frother to make your coffee creamy and light. Pour in 125 milliliters of milk to froth or 200 milliliters of milk to just heat. Put the frother back on the base. Select from Choco, unheated, latte, or cappuccino settings. Your milk will be ready in 120 seconds. No matter if you enjoy ground coffee or capsules, you will always achieve a quick, easy, and perfect cup of coffee with Sincreative 2-in-1 Coffee Maker.